Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Instagram shopping for US product discovery, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Instagram shopping for US product discovery, start by ensuring your account is set to a business profile. If you haven't done this yet, go to your profile and tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Select Settings, then Account. Choose Switch to Professional Account and follow the prompts to set up a business account. Next, link your Instagram account to a Facebook page. Make sure this page represents your business. Navigate back to the Settings menu. Select Business, then Instagram Shopping. Now, you need to set up a product catalog. You can do this by using Facebook Business Manager. Go to business.facebook.com and log in. In the Business Manager, find and select Commerce Manager. Choose Data Sources and then Product Catalogs. Click Create Catalog and select the type that matches your business. Follow the prompts to add products to your catalog. Consider using Facebook's Catalog Manager for bulk uploads. Once your catalog is ready, return to Instagram. Go back to the Settings menu and tap on Business. Choose Instagram Shopping again. Now, you can select your product catalog. Review your submission for Instagram Shopping. Instagram will check if your account and products meet their requirements. If everything is approved, you will receive a notification. Once approved, go to your profile and tap Edit Profile. Select Business Information and then Shopping under the Business section. Enable product tagging and share your products in posts and stories. You can now use product tags in your posts to enhance product discovery. Remember to create engaging content that showcases your products. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.